Good morning, everyone. We'll start with class 5th subject social studies. We'll start with chapter 7, that is the hot deserts. So today we are going to discuss about hot desert, its climate, vegetation, wildlife and life in the desert. Do you know that desert in different continents differ greatly in appearance? Some deserts have a huge sand dunes or hills of sand, while other deserts consist of rocky plateaux. A common feature of all desert is that there is little water available on the surface. There are almost no river or other permanent water bodies. In some places, an underground spring of water creates a pool. Such a pool is called an oasis. In desert, an oasis is the only green patch. So first we talks about desert. What is a desert? Then we will move forward. A desert is a place that receives very little or no rainfall. Most deserts of the earth are found between 15 degree north and 35 degrees south of the equator. They are also known as subtropical desert, as they lie near the tropics, that is the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Some example of hot desert are Sahara and Kalahari Desert in Africa, Thar in India and Pakistan, Great Australian Desert in Australia, and Mojave Desert in North America. Hot desert experience an extreme climate, that is, they remain very hot during the day and very cold during the night. This is because sand heats up quickly during the day and cools down at night. The temperature reaches at high as 50 degrees Celsius in summer. The Sahara Desert in Africa is the hottest desert in the world. The highest temperature here was recorded in Libya, where it reached 58 degrees Celsius. In winter, the desert located far from the equator are very cold. The Gobi Desert in Central Asia has an average temperature below freezing point. Apart from the hot desert, there are other deserts in the world such as cold desert. Some deserts exist in the extremely cold region, but the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, and between the Antarctic Circle, the South Pole, Antarctica is an example of cold desert. Look at this picture, the Sahara Desert in Africa, hot desert of the world. Due to lack of water and presence of sandy soil and extreme heat, very few plants, trees and shrubs grow in desert. The plant in the desert have adapted themselves to suit dry condition. Adaptive means adjust or modify to the surrounding conditions. Most plants have roots growing deep into the ground in search of water to prevent water loss. Some desert plants have leaves with a waxy coating. Most others have spines or thorns in a place of leaves. This way, plants lose less water through evaporation. The stem of many desert plants are fleshy and can store water. This allows the plant to survive long dry periods. For example, desert plants include cactus, thorny bushes, acacia and baobab trees. Date palms are also grow around an oasis in the hot desert. This is a very valuable tree for desert dweller, offering shade as well as fruits. The bark of the date palm are used to make rope. Look at these pictures. Baobab trees, prickly pear cactus, date palms and acacia trees. This is your homework. Look at the pictures of the baobab trees, prickly pear cactus and acacia trees and guess where each of These plants store water. This is your homework based on this topic. Thank you.